and gentlemen, good afternoon. As Chair of the Committee on National Defense, it is my privilege and honor to report to you the Committee's recommendation. After due deliberation October 13, 2010, the added interim appointments of the 97 senior officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, unanimously convinced of their unquestionable qualification, competence, fitness, and integrity, the committee would like to recommend for the Commission's confirmation the added interim appointments of the following senior officers to assume the ranks to which they have been aptly promoted. Namely, Felizardo E. Simoy to the grade of Brigadier General, Gilberto Jose C. Roa to the grade of Brigadier General, Nonato Alfredo T. Peralta Jr. to the grade of Brigadier General, Cesar B. Llano to the grade of Brigadier General, Ariel B. Bernardo to the grade of Brigadier General, Virgilio O. Domingo to the grade of Brigadier General, Marlo L. Salazar to the grade of Brigadier General, Ramiro G. Busalanan to the grade of Brigadier General, Arnaldo F. Fernandez Jr. to the grade of Brigadier General, Roger C. Diaz to the grade of Brigadier General, Armando L. Guzman to the grade of Commodore, Ronelo C. Camoita to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Edelberto L. Soratos to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Sally U. Indanan to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Larry S. Signy to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Romulo B. Lacatan to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Edgardo E. Mata to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Byron H. Kalimag to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Melfredo E. Miligrito to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Diosdado C. Carrion to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Jose D. Caparas Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Francisco C. Tatalio Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Nestor S. Porlucas to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Eduardo L. Unida to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Rex C. Palma to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Leonard T. Agustin to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Felipe B. Bihar Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Pedrito T. Dagipil to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Edgar L. Lavitoria to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Felicissimo C. Budyungan to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Dionisio C. Baudin Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Pascual Luis D. Bidia to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Pablo O. Manzano to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Raul B. Bautista to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Luis Vincent A. Takdiras to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Elias Itzkascha to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Rodel Mauro R. Alarcon to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Rizaldo B. Limuso to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Roseler G. Morello to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army, Pilimon T. Santos Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Sagat Im Bunggulan to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Per June L. Bundok to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Ernesto M. Pascual to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Ricardo S. Santiago to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Alden Juan C. Masagka to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Antonio G. Pagladi Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Gabriel M. Albuera to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Jerry L. Primero to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Leoncio A. Sironay Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Ruben M. Lilo to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Amor T. Agpalo to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Manuel C. Delgado Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Adrian D. Sanchez Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Emmanuel Anthony B. Ramos to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Nixon M. Portis to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Edwin P. D. Claro to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Wenceslao I. Tipawan to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Gilbert I. Gapay to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Diosdado G. Respicio to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Manuel T. Puyao Jr. Miguel T. Puyao Jr. to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Raul M. Sistuna to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Cirilito A. Subihana to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Ray T. De La Cruz to the grade of Captain, Philippine Navy. Arnolfo R. Pajarillo to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Jorge B. Lomboy III to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Gloribin R. Dida to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Arwel R. Oropisa to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army. Errol Valentin G. Hironilla to the grade of Colonel, Philippine Army.